Activated carbon blackhead removal masks, like this one, are very popular right now for removing blackheads and dead skin cells and making your skin feel smooth. Of course, with any product that's popular, you're gonna find people doing weird things with it. In this case, applying this stuff all over the body and peeling it off. So let's check out some clips.
This bit is coming off fine because I actually shaved this bit. Thank the Lords. This is what it looks like. It's got so many parts of my dead skin, it's actually disgusting.
Oh, there you go. There's one way to make your skin smooth. I wouldn't recommend using this on your body, but it is great for your face. So if you'd like to get one for yourself, or for someone else as a gift, check out the Amazon link below. If used correctly, you can get rid of blackheads, dead skin cells, and leave your face feeling smooth for about 2 weeks. So check out the link below, and thanks for watching.